Hello everyone, and welcome to the first session of our Japanese bookkeeping course. Today, I'll give you a simple introduction to what bookkeeping is in Japan and how financial statements are structured. Don't worry if you are a beginner. We'll go step by step. What is Japanese bookkeeping? In Japanese, bookkeeping is called boki. It means recording and organizing business transactions. Bookkeeping helps us understand how a company earns, spends, and manages money. It's the foundation for financial statements, such as the balance sheet, the profit and loss statement, and the cash flow statement. Next is about overview of financial statements. There are three main financial statements. The balance sheet, called 貸借対照表 in Japanese. The profit and loss statement, called 損益計算書. And the cash flow statement, called キャッシュフロー計算書. Together, they show a company's financial position, performance, and cash flow, often called the three financial statements, 財務諸表. Next is about differences between the three statements. Each statement tells us a different story. The balance sheet shows the company's financial position at a specific point in time, what it owns and what it owes. The profit and loss statement shows financial performance over a period, how much profit or loss the company made. The cash flow statement shows how cash actually moved during the period. In short, balance sheet shows position. Profit and loss shows performance. Cash flow statement shows movement of cash. Next is about balance sheet structure. The balance sheet has two sides, assets on the left, and liabilities and equity on the right. Typically, assets, called 資産, include cash, products, and buildings. Liabilities, called 負債, include accounts payable and borrowings. And equity, called 純資産, represents the company's own capital, such as common stock. The total of both sides must always balance. That's why it's called a balance sheet. Next is about profit and loss statement structure. The profit and loss statement shows how profit is generated. It starts with revenue. For example, sales from products or services. Then, we subtract cost of sales, such as materials or production costs, and operating expenses like salaries or rent. What's left is profit, the final result of the company's operations. Simply put, revenue minus expenses equals profit. So, today, we learned the outline of Japanese bookkeeping and the three main financial statements: the balance sheet, the profit and loss statement, and the cash flow statement. In the next session, we'll look more closely at the balance sheet in detail. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you very much.